Hi guys! Today I'll be showing you how to use this type of molds that I do have here on the table and how to extract clays from it and the tips that I'm going to give you before the video ends, just in case yung clay nyo mas stuck sa loob or it gets too sticky for your clays to come out of these molds. Okay, so sit back and relax, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button at the end of this video and click that bell button for more. Okay, so now let's get started. First, let me introduce you the tools or the molds that I do have here. This is called purple silicone mold. Yes, sa color sila nagkakaiba usually, and this is pink and this is white. Okay, so now let's get started. Oh, before I forgot, we need a cake board, and these tools, these are for extracting the excess clay from the tools molds, and this is called the plastic ones for air dry clay or ADC, and this is for PC or polymer clay. This is called X-Acto knife. So you can check out my other video for materials, or for the materials that you can use if you're a beginner for air dry clay. Okay, so don't forget to check it out. So first, we're going to use the purple silicone mold. This one is actually for the body, if you can see it here. Yeah, and let's get some clay. Then let's massage it and roll it over. So you can either use your hands or palm to roll it, or you can use here the cake board para hindi kayo mahirapang mag-roll over. Then what I usually do is roll it into teardrop. Yan. Yung medyo pahaba siya. Then slowly put it inside of your silicone mold. Then there are some excess, so you can wipe it by your hand, or you can use these tools. Okay, so since I'm using air dry clay, I'll be using plastic tools. Okay, so let me just wipe it, the excess. So, konting patience guys kapag mag-wipe kayo ng excess para hindi ma-wipe lahat ng clay nyo. Then, yung excess na clay, pwede nyo siyang ibalik sa storage or container ng air dry clay. Then, what I usually do is I do sit these clays or this clay inside of this mold for like 5 to 10 seconds para lang hindi siya masyadong dumikit ng gusto, yung para bang natutuyo na siya ng konti. So slowly take it out from the purple mold, and tada! There you have it. Meron na kayong body mold. Okay. So next, I'll be showing you guys how to use this pink round, half round mold. So this is silicone as well. So this is very useful for me since yung hair ng chibi ko, dito ko siya ginagawa, or ito yung ginagamit ko. So I usually use the number 10 for the back of my chibi. So ito yung natutunan ko from workshop. Yes, nag-workshop ako for air dry clay. So, I can now give you some advice and give you some tips as well. So, these half-round molds or half-round silicone, it does have 10 circles on it. So, what I usually do is this, I just count it from the smallest. Ito yung natutunan ko. The smallest could be the number 1, and then the biggest goes for number 10. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, right now, what we're going to use is the number 10. So, get some clay here. Then, don't forget to close the lid. And then, roll it over again. I-roll nyo lang yung clay nyo. So, dapat kapag nagro-roll kayo ng clay, walang crack-crack or mga lines. Why? Kasi kapag natuyo siya, it will go to the bigger cracks. Tapos, medyo mahirap na siyang ayusin. Okay, so lalagyan na natin siya. Then, press it like this. Then, slowly take out the excess. Then, put it back. So, dahan-dahan siyang tatanggalin. Then, there you have it. Meron na kayong half round na clay. Next, this one. If you can see, this white mold is a little bit different from these two. Why? It's not just the face of the chili, but mas malalim siya at saka mas matigas siya compare dito sa dalawa. Diba? Mas matigas siya. So, medyo mahirap siya na magtanggal ng mold or magtanggal ng clay sa loob. So, I'm going to show you how. So, get some clay. Don't forget to close it. Yes, paulit-ulit ako na close it. Kasi usually, yung iba, nakakalimutan na lang i-close. Ang air dry clay kasi kapag nakalimutan mo i-close yung lid ng container mo or ng storage mo is may tendency na manigas siya. Kasi nga, air dry siya. So, roll mo lang ng roll. So, patience lang talaga kapag gagawa kayo ng clay creation nyo. So, gagawin siyang teardrop. Medyo mas matulis lang yung dulo niya. Kasi, if you can see this mold, meron siyang maliit na nasa loob. That's actually the nose. So, put it there. Ayan na, tip yan sa inyo guys kung paano nyo gagawin na. Then, yung excess niya, hindi muna natin siya ikakat or tatanggalin. Kasi, mas malalim yung mas malalim tong mold. So, ito yung gagamitin natin pang tanggal sa mismong clay. So, dahan-dahan. There you have it. Okay? So, meron na kayong face. So, kung napansin niyo yung maliit na circle sa loob, ayan, ayun yung nose. Okay. So, meron ka ng face. So, anong gagawin natin dito? Paano natin tatanggalin? Either by hand or by tools ulit. So, tanggalin nyo lang siya. Dahan-dahan nyo lang siyang tanggalin hanggang sa ma-achieve nyo yung gusto nyong itsura. Then, yung excess, lalagyan nyo na siya dito. Okay. I-adjust ko lang ng konti. Okay. So, yan yung paggamit ng tatlong silicone na mold that I do have. So, from the body, half round, to, and then, meron akong face. So, ang gagawin nyo na, after nyan is, syempre, patutuyuin nyo na siya. Okay. What if yung clay nyo, na-stuck siya sa loob? Ganyan. Just in case, na-stuck siya sa loob, tapos hindi nyo nalabas na maayos yung clay nyo. So, what you're going to do is, get some clay, and then, ganyanin nyo lang siya. Didikit siya. Tapos, ulitin nyo ulit. Though, some people, or first hand, I actually use this one for me to be able to extract the clay from the molds. So, kapag sobrang sticky nung clay, ang ginagamit ko is this one, Vaseline. So, this is a Vaseline. And oil. Pwede kayong gumamit ng oil. That's baby oil. And then, baby powder. Or lotion. So, how are you going to use this? So, maglalagay lang kayo ng konti neto sa loob nung paglalagyan nyo or nung gusto nyong gamitin na mold. Then, saka kayo maglalagay ng clay. Mas madulas na yung clay paglabas. Then, after that, pagtapos na, ilalagay nyo na siya sa inyong yan, drying rack para matuyo siya. So, I'm going to show you guys yung finished product na itong tatlo. One moment. Here. So, eto na siya. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng konting design for eyes, then sa ears. Okay. So, yung body, eto yung body. Eto yung face. Tapos, yung half round, eto siya. Para hindi flat yung likod ng chibi ko. Okay. And don't forget, kung gagawa kayo ng chibi is yung head pin or yung wire. Okay. Once again, for air dry clay, it's either you can use stainless head pins or not stainless. However, for not stainless ones, you have to coat it first para kapag nag-dry yung air dry clay nyo, hindi mag-rust yung metal. Okay. So, those are the things that I can show you today for today's tutorial. So, don't forget don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to click that bell for my future tutorials, advices, and tips on clay. And thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to watch my other videos as well. Bye! Thank you!